YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to unbox the vacuum cleaner that I bought, which is called Samsung Jet 70 Complete Cordless Stick Vacuum. And dapat kasi I bought this one from The Good Guys, and I think the original price of this was $699, and then they are on promotion, so it becomes $646, plus there is a bonus of cleaning station. So di ba yung cordless na ano, meron siyang kung saan saan pumapasok yung dumi, yung cleaning station isasaksak mo lang siya doon, and then kusa na siyang maglilinis. So pero it so happened that they are out of stock at the moment. So pero they assure me naman that they're going to message me once the cleaning station is available. So now let us start to open this. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, ayun siya guys. It's called Jet 70 Complete Cordless. So this is the warranty registration service. Warranty registration service, and this is the user manual. And oh gosh, the problem with this now is I don't know how to assemble. So yeah, so what's this? Oh, okay. So yeah, so this is what I said, that this is where the dust and everything will go inside, and with that cleaning station you just have to put it in there, and then it will automatically clean it up. So yeah, I think if it's just a small space, so you just have to use this. I think so, yeah. And there is another one which is also a big one. And guys, so this is called soft action brush. So soft action brush. Ayan siya. Para siyang cloth. Yeah, it's a cloth. Okay. So let's see. And the third one is, I think the other one is going to be used at the for the floor. Can be used for the floor, and this one will be used for the carpets. So turbo action brush, and that's how it looks like. So so this is how are you going to clean this up. It can be removed, guys, and you just have to push it back. Oh my god. Okay, I think I did it right. Let's just put this back on. Okay, and this one is I'm not sure what's this, but we have to assemble this one later. na-install na natin siya and this is how it look like. Okay, so ito, nandito po yung remote niya. Ayan. Andyan siya. So, let's try it. I think there's a bit of battery in it. So, this is the power. So, there is a medium, max, medium, minim, and power off. Okay, so, ayan. So, ayan siya guys. So, let's just remove this plastics. This covers. Okay, and yeah. So, I can see now Bella's hair sticking in it. So, it's just as easy as that. Okay. It has to be mounted. And now, this is the battery charger, so it will go like that when you charge it. So this is how it looks like. It has to be mounted on the wall. And this one has to be where, I don't know where. Let's check on this. Okay. There's nothing more on here. So ayan siya guys, that's how it's going to charge. It has to be mounted on the wall. Ayan. And yes, this one will go through here. Ito po guys. Meron pong butas dito para sa kuryente. It will go through there. That's it. And then, plug it in. And guys, we're done installing and it doesn't take me 5 minutes to do it. So ayan. I'm excited to use this one tomorrow. So I recommend this product, Samsung Cordless Jet 70. They are very handy, very comfortable to use, easy to use, and reasonable price and a good quality. Samsung is a good quality. So ayan. So I'm very excited to use this one tomorrow to clean up the room. Ayan. So, and guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Ayan. Thank you guys, and bye!